Ever wonder if you could turn just $5,000 into $1 million? It sounds impossible, right? But that's exactly what entrepreneur and investor Grant Cardone did. And you can too. Imagine growing your savings into $1 million fortune. How? By following a few key steps Cardone used to build his empire. In this video, we'll break down Grant Cardone's powerful strategy to transform $5,000 into $1 million. Let's dive in. Number 1. The power of a plan. Turning $5,000 into $1 million might sound like a fantasy, but according to Grant Cardone, it's all about having a solid plan. When you start with a modest amount, it's crucial to think long-term and focus on making your money work for you. Cardone emphasizes that the road to $1 million isn't about overnight success. It's about discipline, consistency, and smart decisions. The first step is understanding that $5,000 is not just savings. It's the seed for something much bigger. Think of it like planting a tree. With the right care, it can grow exponentially. But to do that, you need to save more, invest wisely, and always be on the lookout for opportunities. Number 2. Save, save, save. According to Cardone, the most important step to take is saving. Not spending recklessly is crucial to reaching your $1 million goal. The math is simple. Save at least $5,000 a year for the first 5 years. That breaks down to about $412 a month, or roughly $14 a day. If you can commit to this, you're already setting yourself up for success. When Grant Cardone was 25, he made saving his priority. By the time he hit 30, he had saved $25,000. This was the foundation that enabled him to take the next steps, making investments that would lead to massive returns. He stresses that no matter what age you are, this strategy works. The key is discipline. Cut back on unnecessary spending and focus on your savings. Number 3, the importance of sacrifice. Many people think they can live extravagantly and still save money, but Cardone disagrees. He believes in living below your means during this crucial savings period. This means no fancy vacations, no expensive dinners, and definitely no impulse purchases. Instead, everything goes toward your $5,000 a year savings goal. The idea is to stay focused on the bigger picture. $5,000 today can lead to financial freedom tomorrow. Living frugally isn't glamorous, but it's necessary if you want to build wealth. Cardone often talks about how he sacrificed his weekends to hustle and save money. He wasn't spending on things he didn't need. He was putting his money to work, knowing that every dollar he saved could potentially grow into hundreds or even thousands more through smart investing. Number 4. Start shopping for real estate. Once you've built a savings cushion, it's time to make your money work for you. And for Cardone, that means investing in real estate. I got rich shopping real estate, he says. When he turned 30, he started looking for real estate deals that could provide long-term gains. Why real estate? For Cardone, real estate offers multiple ways to generate income. You can earn money from rental income, appreciation, and eventually selling the property for a profit. He spent his weekends researching properties, attending auctions, and making deals that could earn him significant returns. By the time he was 32, his real estate investments had earned him $75,000, a much bigger return than what he would have made from just saving his money. Number 5, earn a 20% return on investments. The key to growing your money, according to Cardone, is finding investments that can consistently earn you at least a 20% return each year. While saving is essential, Cardone emphasizes that saving alone won't make you rich. You have to invest your money wisely to see it grow exponentially. Let's break it down. If you invest your $5,000 and earn a 20% return, that's an additional $1,000 at the end of the year. If you reinvest that $1,000 and continue earning 20% on your new total, the returns start to compound. This is how Cardone was able to grow his wealth so quickly. His investments did the heavy lifting, allowing him to increase his net worth year after year. Now, Cardone's average real estate deal earns him around 30% annually. This means his money is doubling in value every few years. The more you invest, the more you earn. And the sooner you start, the faster your wealth can grow. Number 6, look for passive income opportunities. Once you've got some capital and your investments are working for you, it's time to look for passive income opportunities. Passive income means making money without having to work for it constantly. For Cardone, passive income comes primarily from real estate and business ventures. Cardone started Cardone Capital to help everyday investors put their money into large real estate deals. The beauty of passive income is that it flows in every month, and you don't have to be actively involved in running the business or property. He highlights that passive income also provides great tax advantages, which can further grow your wealth. With Cardone Capital, anyone can invest in big real estate deals, from beginners to seasoned investors. This allows you to build wealth without needing a ton of experience. And most importantly, you can continue to earn while you focus on other opportunities. Number 7, reinvest your profits. So, you've saved, invested, and now you're seeing some returns. What's next? Reinvesting those profits. Grant Cardone emphasizes the importance of reinvesting as a way to accelerate wealth growth. Instead of spending the profits you make, you should reinvest them into more opportunities. This is where the magic of compounding comes in. By consistently putting your earnings back into investments, you're growing your wealth exponentially. For example, if you earn $10,000 from an investment, resist the temptation to cash out. Instead, place that money back into another investment, whether it's stock market or the real estate. The key here is that every reinvestment leads to more potential returns in the future. This is exactly how Cardone transformed $5,000 into over $1 million by the age of 33. Reinvesting profits over time multiplies your money and boosts your financial success. Number 8, be patient and persistent. One of Grant Cardone's most valuable lessons is patience. Building wealth doesn't happen overnight, and expecting quick success is unrealistic. Cardone stresses that the road to financial freedom takes time, and persistence is key. Many people give up too soon, but those who stay the course reap the benefits. Patience is essential because, while your investments might grow slowly at first, the long-term gains can be life-changing. Cardone himself didn't hit millionaire status until he was 33. It took him years of saving, investing, and reinvesting before seeing substantial rewards. But once his investments started generating returns, the growth became exponential. Cardone's message is clear. If you stay patient and keep working towards your goals, the results will come. His story proves that anyone can build wealth with time, persistence, and smart financial decisions. Number 9, stay focused on your goal. The journey from $5,000 to $1 million is not a sprint but a marathon, and maintaining focus is crucial. It's easy to be tempted by quick wins or flashy trends, but Grant Cardone emphasizes the importance of playing the long game. His approach to wealth is built on consistent, smart decisions that align with long-term financial freedom rather than short-term gratification. To stay focused, Cardone suggests a strong commitment to lifelong learning. Continuously expanding your knowledge can keep you grounded and aware of the opportunities and risks that come your way. Read books, attend seminars, and follow financial experts. The more informed you are, the more prepared you'll be to make sound decisions that push you toward your goal. Turning $5,000 into $1 million isn't easy, but it's entirely possible. Grant Cardone's strategy involves discipline, smart investing, and constant reinvestment. By following his steps, saving, shopping for real estate, earning 20% returns, and seeking passive income, you can build significant wealth over time. If you enjoyed this video and want more tips on financial success, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. Keep hustling, stay focused, and watch your money grow.